how to make a skull edit video on CapCut. It's quite easy, so just go ahead and follow this video. First of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and upload a video which you want. The next step is to go to stickers on the left hand side and search for skull. So you can see a lot of skull videos. What you need to do is just go ahead and add in the skull which you really want. So after you add this, you can just go ahead and align it according to your wish, and you can just go ahead and drag it and make it look good as well. The next step is to go to effects. Once you go to effects, you can search for anything like moving and anything such as the effects you see on the video of the skull effect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this video over here. So as you can see, this option of plus, just go ahead and tap on plus, then go ahead and align it. After you do this, it's quite easy. You can see that the video has been created, and this skull video is quite easy as well. So if you want to use any kind of meme materials, you can just go ahead and start it. I hope this video about how you can create a edit skull video on CapCut was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.